Hello guys, today we're going to be making a classic. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I want you to guess throughout the video. It's gonna be really easy. It has a lot of layers and a lot of colors. So we're just gonna start straight ahead. So I'm putting my lye water into my oils. And then I'm going to stick blend until emulsification. Now we're going to divide this batter into 6 equal parts. Right, so this is gonna be separated. So it has been done. We're gonna start off with one color. So I'm gonna put this guys aside. You probably heard all that stuff, so I'm sorry. We're gonna start off with this little color here, orchid purple. We're gonna put in the fragrance oil. That is a special blend I made, just a tad of that. Here we go. I'm hoping the fragrance oil will slow down the process because it's getting thick. So let's go. Now I'm going to pour it into my mold. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the rest of the colors, so I'm going to speed this up. The top. Like I said, I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible because I'm running out of battery. While my pipe is set up, I cleaned my workstation. I checked on my cats because they're outside and they can make a mess of the house. So today I'm going to be using an open round tip. I got mine from Nurture Soaps, and I'm not very good with this piping tip, but I wanted to show you guys like the tried and true, not the tried and true version, more like the in the moment version of my videos, because most soapers always try out the soap first before putting it up on YouTube, and I wanted to try out my soaps for the first time in the camera because if I fail, I want you guys to see where I failed or what I could have done differently, so you guys can have an idea, you know, of what this is all about. We won't always make the perfect batch, so I wanted to show you the imperfect and first trying type of thing. Just like my Cancer Zodiac soap, I did not know that the blend I used for the scent, the fragrance oil, was gonna make the piping cream. It was like a cream color. Did not know it was that was gonna happen. That's why it's a good idea to always read the little description part of your fragrances before you buy it, so you know how it's gonna react. Most of the big suppliers have that, and I didn't, and I mixed like 3 fragrances and I forgot one of them. Got my soap in a very weird color, but you saw that, and that's part of soaping, and I just worked with it. So I'm going to go a bit faster because the piping set up more, and I noticed I'm making the dollops too big, so if I might not have enough to finish this. I might, but I might not, because these little dollops are way too big. So I wanted this to look like clouds. So my camera shut off yesterday. I'm sorry guys, it cut off. I know that the piping process is like the favorite of everyone in this types of videos, but I do not have an extra battery pack because those things are expensive and I can't afford that right now. So for the piping, what I did was put a bit of titanium dioxide mixed with snowflake sparkle mica from Nurture Soaps. And after I finished the piping, I put on these little gumbos. As you can see, my piping is not perfect because I am not very good with this type of tip, and I've noticed that the best way to use this tip is with the piping a bit runny, because it's easier for it to just move down the shaft than me pressing it. So I'm gonna take it off the silicone mold to cut it. So I try to keep the sides clean for this reason. You see the purple mixed with the blue and the green mixed with the yellow. That's why I try to keep the sides as clean as possible, but I probably missed a lot. So let's start cutting. So as I was saying yesterday, every soap you see that I make here is my first time ever making that soap or using that fragrance. Here we go. The blue kind of got in the way of the purple, even though I used the spatula. The other colors aren't as bad as I thought. I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle on it. I see a lot of soapers making soaps that they've already did off camera, and I wanted to give like the first look of making the soap instead of, you know, already trying it, so I don't mess up on camera. But where's the fun in that, guys? You want to see the process, and I want to give you the full raw process of it, and the good experiences and the bad experiences with X or Y fragrance oil. I haven't had any problem with fragrances yet. There are a few that have discolored, but I haven't had any problem with rising or separation or anything like that. The purple got in the blue. Why do you do this? It's not that layered, but at least the other ones got better. So what I should have done was wait more on that purple to set up. So I used a round tip so it looks like little clouds, and at least I got that right. It looks like little clouds now. It's not as bad as on this side and this side. It has that little curvature thing there because my silicone mold doesn't stick correctly to the sides. I bought it off eBay, recommended by Royalty Soaps, and it's not working out extremely well as the Brambleberry ones. So this guy will be available for my New Year's release extravaganza, along with the other 3 videos I posted before this one. 4. The other 4 videos I posted before this one. There's gonna be 4 low tops and 2 high tops, along with shampoo bars and perfume oils, some natural desodorante. The other high top is gonna be a 3 clay soap, and my shampoo bar is gonna have 2 types of butter and 2 types of clay in it for extra moisturizing. It's also gonna have coconut milk. This side looks a lot better. I also have a tiny sale going on in my website. So the sale is you get 10 off your first purchase for being a new customer. And I'm also going to have a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. I'm still thinking about that because I don't know what to do. Again, I'm sorry that my camera shut off when it shouldn't have shut off. And thank you for watching. I'll leave the link of every item I used down below, so if you want to make it, you can. And I'll see you next time.